Let's see how to insert plus minus and minus plus in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to insert a plus minus or a minus plus sign, it is fairly easy. Simply head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Equation and click on Insert New Equation. And that will open up a field where you can type your equation. Now, right here, you'll have different options on basic math, operations, which you can choose from. And as you can see, the first one is the plus minus sign. And when you click that, that will automatically be placed into your equation field right there. And down here, on the far right, we have the minus plus sign. And that is basically how you can insert a plus minus or a minus plus sign in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.